Hey friends, if you wish to stop the mic echo effect on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So first of all, you need to run the recording audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The next solution is to disable microphone boost. Now I'll show you the setting. Uh, So you need to search for sound settings, open sound settings, scroll down, click on more sound settings, go to the recording tab, right click on the microphone, select properties, go to levels, and you'll find it here. Now, I don't have this option in my computer because it does not exist. But this is what it would look like. Just disable it, pull it down to zero. The next solution is to disable all audio enhancements. Now, on the same page, right click on the mic, and then if you find an enhancements tab here, again I don't have that, then you can disable it. Let me check if I have it for something else. Yes, I'll show it on the speaker. You can check this box for disable all enhancements, obviously if it exists for your mic. Lastly, you can reinstall your mic drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio and input device drivers. Find your mic, right click on it and update its drivers. Okay. Now, this is with the computer, but here's the thing, there are a lot of software specific solutions like I do. For example, I am using OBS. You may be using other software products. I am using OBS. So it will have the desktop audio by default and the mic audio by default. Okay, now the same audio that goes into the system through the mic becomes desktop audio. If I was to turn this on, you would notice that it would actually replicate the mic audio as well, but I have disabled it. So I will suggest you to adjust the volume accordingly, disable all audio systems except for one. Also, a few people can add the audio input capture feature through OBS. Don't do that because that will interfere with the original audio. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.